How to replace the blade on the Amazon Basics heavy duty utility knife. So if you want to change the blade, this button here, you see this, just slide it forward, and as you let go, the body will open like that. We do have spare blades here, but all we need to do to change the blade is get your finger here, and it'll pop it out, get your new blade, and if you see just down here, see this here, there's a little slot. Not very big, so you need to angle your blade like that into the slot. And then with it in the actual slot, it's not very big, the slot, you want to line the two little things like that, and it'll drop into place. We can then drop this down, close it, and there you go. You'll have replaced the blade on your Amazon Basics heavy duty utility knife. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.